butter masala. This is a very tasty dish and it is the most popular dish in North India. So let's get cooking. For paneer butter masala, we need the following ingredients: 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, salt to taste, 1 small green chili chopped, 5 to 6 cubes of butter, 2 tablespoons of fresh cream, 1 pinch of kasuri methi. We'll be using the cream for garnishing as well as we'll be putting it in. Then we have 1 onion chopped, 10 to 12 cashews, 5 tomatoes, and then we have our whole spices, which are 2 to 3 cloves, 1 black cardamom, 2 green cardamom, 1 1-inch piece of cinnamon, 1 bay leaf, and some water. Here we have a wok, and we are going to start by adding about 1 cup of water. To that we are going to add in our onions, followed by the tomatoes, then the cashews, and give it a good mix. Next, we're going to add in all our whole spices. Mix it. Add in half of our butter. Mix it well. And then we'll add some salt. Give it a good mix. And we are going to cover it with a lid and we are going to cook it till the tomatoes turn nice and pulpy. I have switched off the flame and you can see that the tomatoes have been cooked nicely. We are going to remove the whole spices. So we'll remove the bay leaf, the black cardamom, and piece of cinnamon. Now we are going to blend our mixture into a nice fine paste. Get all of the onion tomato mixture and we are going to add it in. Add in some water and we are going to blend it into a nice fine paste. Here you can see it's a nice paste. Let's switch on our gas. We're going to make sure that the pan is nice and hot. Then we're going to add rest of the butter. All of it in. Next we have our green chilies. Saute it nicely. And our ginger garlic paste. We're going to saute till the rawness goes out. And our masala. We are going to saute it a little. Let it come to a small boil. Lower the heat, add in water and give it a good mix. We're gonna now roast our kasuri methi. So I have this small pan here and we're going to lightly roast it. We're not going to take much time because this is very little kasuri methi. Switch off the heat, that's all. We're going to add in our red chili powder and our salt and give it a good mix. We want this to boil. This is nicely cooking. Add in some more water. Now we're going to let this rigorously boil. You can see it's rigorously boiling. I have added in our cream and now I'm going to take the kasuri methi. We're going to take it in our palms, we are going to crush it and sprinkle it in. We are going to add in our cubes of paneer, give it a good mix, and we're going to let the paneer simmer in there for 2 minutes. As you can see guys, I have served out our paneer butter masala. I have garnished it with cream and kasuri methi and I've served it with butter naan. This is the best combination out there and you can have it with rice, rotis, kulchas, naan, with anything and it tastes amazing. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and give it a thumbs up. Bye!